Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Yep, thanks for stopping by. What we've got today is a no edit video of this 2017 Ducati SuperSport S. What a bike. So without further ado, let's get around it. If you see anything you like while I'm wondering about, give us a little like and a subscribe, and thanks. It's the best way to support our little channel. If you want to, of course, but best way to support us and give us some love. Or comments are always welcome as well. So, let's get on and have a look at this Ducati SuperSport, which you may well or may well not want. But if after looking at this, you like it, you want it, you love it, and you should, then get in touch with us. All the details will be in the description down below, and there will also be a description of the bike on the website, of course, with all the nitty-gritty bits. We're going to run the bike up, we're going to let you hear it, we're going to show you the mileage, and we're going to show you if there was any marks or anything, which there isn't, where they are. So let's have a look around it. So obviously, being a Ducati, shod with Pirelli Diablo Rosso. We've got Brembo brakes, showing the Ducati safety pack, which I believe is the traction control and ABS and stuff, which you kind of get anyway, but there will be other things in there. Daytime LED running lights and stuff like that. So they're all part of that. Hopefully you're seeing the shine here. It's a one-owner bike. So bought by its original owner. Yeah, I know. It's an old saying, but this one was. So he's had this bike from brand new, enjoyed it a lot, and he's part exchanged it now after almost 10 years. Well, it's 9 years, isn't it? Being the S, we've got the Ohlins on there. Same on the front. Look at that. That tyre looks like it's barely done a thing. You've still got the D in there. And being a 67, what does that mean? Well, that means it's from September 17 through to March 18. So it's registered anywhere in between. But I will tell you that this one I do know is a late 2017. Chain and sprockets there, all looking great. Even look, the collector box under there, all in good order. And we've got, of course, quick shifter being the S. Ducati battery tender connection there, which certain Optimates and stuff like that fit. So always good to have because it keeps you on top of the battery without having to dig it out if you get a flat battery, not a tyre. We've got the tail section on here, and these SuperSports really, they build a bridge between what is an absolutely crazy Panigale, where you're, very compromised position if you're going long ways on the road, and these actually give you a little bit more of a raised handlebar, a little bit more room, and certainly, I don't think, no less good looking. Again, there, your gold nitrided forks with the Ohlins moniker at the bottom. This one as well, I think the owner has took the trouble to have some risers fitted on there as well, so you can actually bring the bars up just that touch more. Another nice touch as well I've seen on here is the RAM mount for your sat nav, or if you wanted to put your phone on a cradle. Nice discreet RAM mount there. And again, look at the paintwork, it's stunning. Ducati Performance tank protector there, stop your jacket scratching the tank. Aside from that, the bike is very, very standard. We've got all the books and everything for this bike, and we're happy to talk you through them, but don't forget to ask your missus first. We all know what that means. Yep, get your permission and we'll sit on the phone with you for hours. Otherwise, just buy it. Condition, I hope, is coming through here while I'm pointing this camera absolutely everywhere. And we do these little videos so that, we'll deliver a bike to you, no problem at all. But if you absolutely, can't make it to see it and you need some sort of receipt, this is it. So this is why we do them, so you can see exactly what the bike's like. And if it turned up and was a big scratch here or something, we'd just refund you, bring it back. So hopefully you can see now the condition. And while we're talking on that delivery bit, you don't have to have it delivered. You can come and see it. Come and see the bike in person, have a cup of tea with us. We'll deliver it on another day, it's no problem. So, you know, some people do think, oh, they only deliver the bike and I haven't seen it. Well, you've got every opportunity. And then there's this video as well, isn't there? Lots of little switches on there. You can control all sorts of parameters on here. We've got rider modes. We've got heated grips on this one as well, which is nice. Keep your dandies warm on a cold day. And doesn't that look well? It looks fast stood still. And even though it's not a Panigale, one of the outright, you know, sports beasts, it is certainly plenty quick enough, plenty nice enough looking and comfier. So that is very important. Right, before we get it started up, what can we do for you on the bike? Well, a few bits in there. You're going to want a part exchange or something like that. No problem. So if we flip this over this here keyring here, do this every time. That's where you need to go if you've got a part exchange. Keep hold of the number. If you need some finance payments, because you need to speak to one of us in the office so we can sort those out for you. Part exchange form, pretty self-explanatory. Go there, it's there, fill it in, and then I've got all the information I need about your car, bike, bus, whatever you want to part exchange. So that shouldn't be too difficult. Then we move on to delivery. Yep. Here at the Real Toy Shop, we deliver every single one of our motorcycles for absolutely nix, nothing, nada, zip. That's mainland UK. We'll fetch this to you in our super duper crafter van, so please give us a honk if you see us, and we shall endeavour to honk back. Or just ignore you because we haven't noticed, but no, we'll try and honk you back. So that's how we get these things to you. If you're in a far-flung area, we may well use our dedicated motorcycle courier, but certainly not the sort to bring a washing machine and a lawnmower with them. Right, that's about all things covered, isn't it? Apart from, we said about asking your missus first. Well, we're going to fire it up now, make some noise. Find out the noise it makes when you're out in the wind. Bike has been warmed up a little, just because we get a lot of internet haters that squawk at you. You warmed it up. Well, guess what? We have. So, without further ado, let's have a look along the bottom as well, so you can see how clean that is. Let's make her make a noise. And of course, look at that mileage. So, on we go. Traditional key. Yes, love it. We know where that is at all times when we're riding, right in front of our face. Right, 7,838 miles. As you can see, we've got heated grips, because there's a thing that says heated grips, and we can change that going through all the different settings there using this toggle on the down. If we use the other toggle on the other side, and this 7,838 miles is said, we can go through trips, ranges, times, time of the day, all that good stuff. And then this one here is your mode enter button. So you press that, then you pick it with this one, and then you get different ones. This one's now in touring. So let's have a listen to it in touring mode. Not that it sounds any different if we put it in the other. That's your start switch. Oh, come on. So let's go. There we go. Settle nicely to idle. Why is the ABS and the traction flashing, Matt? That's because we haven't done 5 miles an hour. The bike hasn't done its last check. So if you're looking at a bike that should have ABS and that's not flashing, yeah, be alarmed, because it should. And that's not just Ducatis either. That's Harleys, that's Hondas, anything, BMs, the lot. That light should be flashing until you've done some mile an hour. Listen to the engine, hopefully you can hear that sounds well. What a machine. What a machine. So hang on, once more for the kiddies. Boom, and that's it. Quick recap. That's your Ducati SuperSport, late 2017 water bike. One owner from new, 7,000 odd miles. You're not going to go far wrong here. Thanks for getting this far, guys. It really is appreciated. We appreciate all the comments and everything else, so thank you. So you want this, you want it in your shed, and so you're sure to number one, and well, we all know by now, you've got a part exchange form. Get on the website, fill it in, simple. Number two, you want some monthly payments, you need to speak to one of us in the office and we'll sort that out. Number three, let's just get it paid for, get it in a van, get it to as quick as we can. Thanks for sticking this far. With loads of other bike videos and some odd crazy cars and stuff like that. If you want to go and have a watch, it really does help us. YouTube thinks you might like this fella or this one here, this playlist, but that subscription button, that's the one that helps us grow this little channel and keep bringing more bikes to your door. So that's it, I'm out of here. Hopefully you want this to get you out in the wind, but don't forget, ask your missus first. Bye for now.